Let's now solve together a question from the IB question bank about the equation of the straight line. The diagram shows line 1, which intersects the x-axis at 6 and 0. So this point in here, this point is 6 with 0. And the y-axis at the point B, which is 0 with 2. For part A, we want to write down the coordinates of M, which is the midpoint of the line AB. So simply for part A, M is equal to, you remember the x coordinates is x1 plus x2 over 2. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. So the coordinate would be x1 plus x2, which is 6 plus 0 over 2, with 0 plus 2 over 2. So the coordinate of the midpoint is 6 over 2, which is 3, and 2 over 2, which is 1. We need now to calculate the gradient of line 1. So the gradient is simply a change in y over the change in x. I have y2 minus y1, which is 2 minus 0, over x2 minus x1, which is 0 minus 6. So the gradient of this straight line is 2 over minus 6, which is equal to minus 1 over 3. After section B, the question says that line 2 is parallel to line 1. Parallel, it means they have the same gradient and passes through the point 3 with 2. We need to find the equation of L2. We give our answer in the form y equals mx plus c. Now, since they are parallel, then I can know for part C that the gradient of L2 is simply equals negative 1 over 3. So for the equation, y is equal to negative 1 over 3 x plus c. Now I need to find the value of c. I simply substitute these coordinates in order to find the value of c. So I'll be having, when x is equal to 3, the value of y is 2. So I have 2 is equal to negative 1 over 3 times 3 plus c. Now, if I want to use my solver to find out the value of c, I can. If I want to use it by hand, yes, I can also solve it by hand. So negative 1 over 3 times 3, it gives me negative 1. Take it to the left-hand side, it's 3. So the value of c is 3. So now, the equation of L2 is y is equal to negative 1 over 3 x plus 3. This is the equation of the line 2.